ASML has exploded higher plus 9.53% to $1,899.48, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, June 12th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are charging higher today, with risk appetite firmly back on. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is up plus 1.75%, trading at $7,394.30. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.29% to $29,446. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones is up plus 1.86%, trading at $50,849. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. DAX is up plus 1.91%, trading at $24,672. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 edged higher plus 1.25% to $10,433. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML made a dramatic move today, surged plus 9.53% to $1,899.48. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 7.86% to $322,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. LVMH surged plus 5.17% to $518.70 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by China sales hold up as European luxury brands warn of Iran war impact, South China Morning Post. HSBC made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.75% to $1,371.40. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simpliwald St. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $86.81 per barrel, down 3.95% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. WTI crude plunged to $84.05 per barrel, down 4.17% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Natural gas dipped to $3.06, down 0.75% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,245 per troy ounce, up 3.78% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on ASML. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $2,013.45 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.45% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.44% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.06, losing 0.29% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase. Deccan Herald. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.